how to use same Telegram account on two devices. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use the same Telegram account on two devices. So without further ado, let us begin. So let's say you already made your Telegram account, and then what you want to do now is to use that account in another device. So the first thing that you need to do first is to just install Telegram. So I'll just open up the App Store and then just search up for Telegram. And then what you want to do now is just install Telegram, and then let's just wait for this to finish. And then once it's done, all you have to do now is just open up Telegram. And then what you want to do from here is to just simply log in the account that you used in your other device. So you really need to use the same phone number that you use in making your Telegram account in your other device. So once you're done inputting the phone number that you used in your other device, you can now use your other Telegram account in another device. So that's pretty much it on how to use the same Telegram account on two devices. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.